Okay. Let's see. I apologize there. I am back. Hopefully my internet will be a little bit better. Let me know if it is better. Hello, ladies. Thank you for coming back. And I think from now on, I'm just going to rely on my cell data instead of my home. Boy. So hopefully, did you see what I did so far? Okay, did you see how I masked everything? Let me see now. If you're on, let me know. Okay, Erin is back. Say hi. And let me know. Much better. Okay. I sound better. Okay, boy. I apologize. Let me raise my volume here. Can you hear me better? And see better? Okay, here we go. Then I'll have to figure out how to combine the two videos on YouTube, or just leave it part 1 and part 2. But I stamped, I don't know if you saw this, I inked in Old Olive, stamped off, and stamped once, inked, stamped off, and stamped again. Okay, then for my sentiment, using Scotch tape, okay, I did my masking. Okay, so first to do my label, so I put the Scotch tape on the rest of my sentiment, inked, removed the Scotch tape, and stamped. Cleaned, because you have to clean it, and did the opposite for my inside. Okay, so here we go. Then these are the finished colored images. I stamped in Memento Black. Okay, hopefully you can see here. And then I color with dark and light. Light first, crumb cake. And then this beautiful set, the stamp is nice because it gives you already where it should apply the dark to get the shadow or the shading. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna assemble, and we're almost done. And I apologize for my internet. Go figure. You pay a lot of money to get a good service and you don't get it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to layer these two together flat. Okay, and let's go before my internet goes crazy again. And this just has a bit of a border around. Then we're gonna take dimensionals. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're plenty. Okay, and then we're gonna put it on here. I'm gonna layer that. Voila. Okay. Then I forgot to stamp, but we can do it now without being messy. I'm gonna do this. So crumb cake and get this little thing here. And we're gonna put it down here. 1. And then we're gonna do 1 here. And there. Pretend like there's dirt or something. And then this one is gonna go here, like so, on dimensionals. Okay. And I'm gonna put mini dimensionals under his, whatever they are. I don't know what they are. Probably that lady was not, I mean, she's a politician that also always does a whatever. I don't know. She wants us, I don't know, some people should stop calling somebody's house. So I don't know what to say. I hope your connection is better, because mine now is like not as good as it was before, but as long as you can see well, I'm happy. I know I can see myself here, but I want you to be able to see what I'm doing, because if you have to recreate this card, then you'll have to, voila. Do you see this? But we're not done. I'm gonna grab another piece of this, and I'm not gonna do a bow, but I'm gonna do like a fake bow, like I usually do. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive here. This one is gonna go like so, but at the same time I'm gonna put a dimensional. Voila. Then we're going to take our sentiment, and I am going to chop this one off because I would like to have a flush there. So let me grab my trimmer, because I want to make sure that I am cutting it straight, right? So I'm just gonna chop off a little bit of the tail there. Voila, no tails. And now I'm gonna put this one down like so, but I need one on each of the tails there. Okay, and also I'll put another one here just to make sure. Oh, I'm glad you like him, Nancy. You know, when it comes to Christmas, I kind of like it. They have to be fancy, right? Voila. Okay, so this is it. And now we're gonna grab our card base, and it goes on like so. Well, not upside down. Has to be like so. And guess what? Dimensionals. Just in case you wondered, right? We're gonna put this one, making sure that is on. Isn't it classic, rustic, or whatever you want to call it? I like these colors together. And this one is gonna go inside, and then our cards are done. So tonight we worked with the Regal Reindeer, and this is one of the stamp set that is on sale. Instead of $24, it's a little bit less. It's 15% off. And here we are, ladies. The cards are done. Let me clean everything, and let's see if we have enough people. And we're gonna do the drawing. So based on your comments, so it would be a little bit different because I had to stop the video. So this is card number 3. This is card number 2. And this is card number 1. Okay, so help me decide. If the order goes over $60, the embellishment could be or the pearls or this. So which one should be? Because I haven't decided yet. Pearls or the simply trim, elegant trim. Which one of the two? I hope it doesn't stop on me again. I'm here. Hello. Thank you. The pearls, I see pearls. Let's see. Pearls, pearls, pearls. Okay, so the embellishments will be the pearls. Okay, so if you get the kit, you will get enough string to do for the cards, but no pearls. And if you don't qualify for the embellishment, I am just gonna give you the strings, not the embellishment, okay? Because you can substitute with whatever you have at all. Okay, so just to remind everybody, if you haven't done so, go shop the stamp sale, individual stamps. This is one of them, okay? If you don't have it, okay, this is the one. If you're a demonstrator, remember you're saving the 15% on top of your demonstrator discount. One. If you would like the cards, order has to be placed by Sunday, July 23rd, using this host code, and depending on the amount of your order, minimum should be $40 to receive the cards. And then if you get over 60, you get the embellishments as well. And you also get entered in my mystery hostess special for each $50 that you place. Has to be an order placed on this host code. And remember, you get a bonus day coupon for each $50 that you are spending. And those get redeemed in August. Okay? So if you have any questions, let me know. And now, okay, thank you ladies for watching. And right now, let me see if everything works and I go and do the drawing.